Hello YouTube, I'm AK. Today I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal with me. I shall do a quick unboxing of the unit and schedule a video release for later this week. And if you like the stuff I do, please subscribe to my channel and share to the folks who would benefit from the stuff I post.
Right. Hello YouTube. So what I have today with me is DJI Osmo 3. So what I'll do today is quickly do a small unboxing and see what's inside, and then we can get into a full-fledged review of the DJI Osmo. So yeah, let's get started. The packaging looks pretty standard to me. A lot of plastic around. Let's take it out. Alright. Neat little cutouts. We have the product. We have the adapter, and yeah, that's about it. There you have it. Nice. I like it. There's DJI on the top. Nice cute handles. And most importantly, well, it has a Type-C charger attached to it, which is good. So what do we have in the box? In the box here, we have a cute little chain which you hold on to the, well, pull on your hands, a Type-C charger to a Type A 3.0, and of course we have a nice little pouch from DJI. Nice, smooth. You have literature. So you want to read the literature, go ahead, do that. But what we have here today is the DJI Osmo 3, and of course the set of things that comes inside. Well, those are the quick things that we have inside the box today. So what I'll do additionally is do a complete video of how good this is, and should you even buy this or even consider this. Well, till then, thank you. Stay tuned.